Little mechanic hack doing this radiator on a 2004 Honda Pilot. And my issue was the sensor here. It is 3/8. It's the sensor, I believe, that sends the signal to the fan to cut on when it's getting warm. And this is a beveled 3/8 male adapter that screws in here. But this female part that came with the aftermarket radiator, it's not beveled, so it will not screw in. So little hack here. Went to Home Depot, got this adapter here, 3/8 OD by 3/8 FEM. So the FL stands for flanged. It's part number 642544 LFA-155. And this is what it looks like here. And this little O-ring actually came off this piece here that screws in here, I guess, for shipping. Of course, we don't need that. So I went ahead and put that on there. And now she screws in perfect. I'm going to tighten her down, and then I'll be able to screw this piece on. So this will not be recessed in there like I would like, but it is still have a hole, so it should still be able to read. So it'll turn the fan on. And a little quick hack here, that way I don't have to send this thing back and wait for another one. We should be good to go. I should have enough clearance even with this extension in here, so that we don't have any issues going forward. And thanks for watching my video. There's the old girl over there all jacked up, living La Vida Loca. Y'all have a good day. Like and subscribe for more hillbilly garage life hacks. Yeah, come on.